Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the top 25 things that you didn't know that Siri can do. So this is going to be a very simple video, and you're going to be learning a lot about Siri. So without further ado, let's get straight on into this video. So the first thing that you can do with Siri is actually install apps from the App Store. So what we can do is just say, install Netflix.
Okay, searching for Netflix on the App Store.
Now you're going to see that it'll pull up Netflix, and then it'll give us a chance to install it, but I already have Netflix installed on my iPhone. Now Siri can also play the radio, so you could just say, Siri, play Beats One radio. So you can hear that it was playing this song, and it was playing Beats One radio. So if you listen live to Beats One radio, that is what Siri is currently doing. So it's just playing that Beats One radio. Siri, how much should I tip for a $100 meal?
A 15% tip is $15.
So now I can ask Siri how much I should tip for a expensive meal. So you can see that there's different tip amounts as well. So 15%, 18%, and 20%. I was going to just do it on my phone, and then I can just go ahead and enter in the tip amount at a restaurant. Go into an app like Safari, and then we can actually open up the preferences for Safari. So once we're in the app, all I have to do is just say, open preferences. Now you're going to see it'll open up all the Safari preferences, and if I'm not in the app, all I have to do is just mention the app's name and then preferences right after it. Open Safari preferences. So you can see it just opened it just like that. Now Siri does act as a translator as well, so you can just say, how do you say hello in French?
Bonjour.
So you can see right there, and now it's going to give me the direct translation, and I can just press on the play to hear it.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
So Siri can handle a different language, and it's just a very quick thing that you can do. Turn on the flashlight.
It's on.
So now I can see that the flashlight is on just like that. Turn off the flashlight.
It's off.
So you can see it works. So Siri can also change the flashlight around. So Siri can also show specific photos and notes. So if you say, show me photos from January 2019, it'll show you photos from that time. And you can also see specific notes. So show me notes of yesterday, and then it'll show you all the notes that you made yesterday. Now you can also take notes. So we can say, take a note.
What do you want it to say?
Siri is the best part of the iPhone.
Okay, I created a note. Siri is the best part of the iPhone.
So you can see that that was pretty easy to do. Now you can also take a video with Siri. Take a video. Now you're going to see it'll open up my camera app directly to the video portion. So it's just that simple. Now what we can also do is tell Siri to take a selfie. Siri, take a selfie. Now you're going to see that it's going to show the selfie part of the camera. You can also ask it how many days for certain events. So I could say, how many days till Christmas?
It's 9 days until then.
Now we can also delete all of our alarms. So if we have a bunch of alarms, Siri can delete all of them. Delete all alarms.
Are you sure you want to delete all your alarms?
And cancel.
Okay then.
So you can see that you have that option. Now you can also tell Siri to wake you up at a certain time. Wake me up at 6 a.m.
Your 6 a.m. alarm is on.
Turn off that 6 a.m. alarm.
Okay, your 6 a.m. alarm is off.
We can also set a timer. Set a timer for 10 seconds.
Okay, your timer is set for 10 seconds.
And now you can see that it's working, and it did respond. Now we can get it to turn on and turn off dark mode. Turn off dark mode.
Okay, I turned off dark mode.
So now if you go into the settings, you're going to see it's in the normal mode, and then we can turn dark mode back on. Turn on dark mode.
I turned on dark mode.
So now I can see it's back to having dark mode on. Now I can also toggle the brightness on it. Turn down the brightness.
Okay, I made the screen darker.
Turn up the brightness.
I made it a bit brighter.
Now I can also ask it to search the internet for specific things. Search the internet for the Cybertruck.
I found this on the web.
And now I can search for specific images. Search the web for images of the Cybertruck.
Here are some images of a Cybertruck I found on the web.
So you can see that I'll just pull up images of the Cybertruck as well. Now I can read text messages out loud as well. So you could say, read the last message from the contact of your choice. You can also show emails from certain senders. So you could just say, show me emails from Pinterest, and it will work. And then you can say, Siri, remind me of this, and while at a specific web page. So I can go to the Apple website, for example. Then I could just say, Siri, remind me of this.
Okay, added.
So it will remind me of this webpage, so the Apple website, just by saying that. So it's really interesting in that way. Now, Siri can also make important decisions for you. So what you can do is say, Siri, flip a coin.
Tails.
Siri, flip a coin.
Heads.
Siri, flip a coin.
Heads.
So you can see that it's really random when you say flip a coin. So Siri can flip a coin for you. So those are some of the things that Siri can do that you didn't know about. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, please smash the like button down below so know you watched. Also be sure to check out all my other videos on my channel. Be sure to check out applecritics.com for Apple news, and more. Like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/applecritics. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/applecritics. And thanks for watching.